Hi, everybody. This is Troy from myBIMteam, and we help architects and building owners increase productivity and efficiency with BIM and reality capture technologies. And what I wanted to do for you today is a quick, informal demonstration of our virtual tour platform. So let me show that to you. Jump right in here. So get rid of this, jump over to here. So I've got a video that I recorded. I'll just talk over it. So when you hire us for our laser scanning services, part of the deliverable with that is a virtual tour of your building. So we give you a website. You can log in on the website, and then you can view the virtual tour of the building. So I'll just start playing here in the video. You'll get a login. You go to the website and you'll log in, and it'll immediately take you into the building. So here you're seeing, as it opens up, the 360-degree panorama images of the buildings that we took while we were on site. And it's super easy to navigate in the platform. You just use your mouse and click and drag to move around within the image, and you can click to the next dots on the screen to move from location to location, and you get a full, complete picture of the building. There's also a navigation map here, so you can jump around a little quicker from location to location if you want. You don't have to move sequentially through the building. And if it's a multi-story building, we have a level selector, and you can then jump from location to location to check out the space. Once you're there, you can also take measurements of any space. So when you click on the measurement tool, it splits the screen showing a little floor plan, and the measurement tool is on the right. And then you can click on the measurement tool. And here I'm taking a height measurement on the screen. Super simple. You want to take a width measurement, you just grab that tool on the side of the screen there. There you go. And then you click on the wall, change the image location, and move across the room. You can even look at the floor plan to make sure you're getting the measurement perpendicular across the room, and click and gives you a measurement. If you want to take an area measurement, there's a tool for that as well. Lots of measurement tools. This area measurement tool, I'm going to just jump into the plan view and take the measurements there and click around the corners of the room to get the measurements. I could be a little more precise if I wanted to go a little slower, but I just move around the room, and I figured this got me close enough. And you click the starting point when you're done, and you got the area measurement. You can see that reported on screen. If you can make adjustments to it, and if you just don't like the position of it, I'll just slide it here out of the way so that I can see the room a little more clearly. So that's taking measurements in the platform. So you don't need any CAD or Revit experience or BIM experience to do that. Anybody can do this right here on the website. Jumping around to another location in the building. And here I wanted to show you what happens when you get into dark spaces. So if there's no light available in the space, we can still measure in. Our tools will still do that. But when you get into the virtual tour, it may be a little bit hard to see what's going on. So what I'm doing here is showing you how dark it is in that space, but there's another way to view it. I'm going to turn on the visibility of what's called the point cloud, which is all the measurements that are in the space. And the point cloud can be colorized by something called intensity. The intensity is the measurements from the laser of how strong the signal was when it bounced back. So even in a dark space, we can get more clarity of what we're looking at in there just by changing to this view, looking at the point cloud. And also, I guess it's worth noting here that when you're doing the measurements, that's what you're actually measuring from, the real measurements that our laser LiDAR sensor took within the space. It's not just picking images, picking points off the image to get some approximate measurements. It's very precise. We could do that on the exterior of the house, but for this project, we decided to do it with our drone instead. So here we're showing the virtual tour that's part of that was delivered with the drones, showing the quality of the images from a top-down plan view, comparing here the images on the side to the Google Earth below. But what's really cool is if you switch over to a 3D view, you can see a 3D model of the building here in this platform and just spinning around that. And I'm going to zoom in here so you can see some of the detail that's available. I'll zoom in and you can get some pretty impressive detail on the building. If you want more detail, you can click on the inspect button, which shows you all the camera locations. All those little triangles are the camera locations, and you can click on any one of those and it'll take you to the high res photo that was actually taken with the camera. And then you can use the navigation controls in the bottom right hand corner of the screen to move from image to image. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. And move up and down, left and right. When you want to get out of the images, you just click the little back arrow, takes you back out. If you want to jump to a different location, going up to the chimney over here, you can zoom in, and again, you can navigate from location to location. So that's it. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of our virtual tour uh, website platforms that are available. Hope you like it. If you need any more information, just reach out. Again, it's Troy from myBIMteam. Thanks very much.